What is the solution xy to the system of equations above? So when they tell you what is the solution, meaning what x and y values, when you plug it into this equation and into this equation, will equal these values. We'll make those two equations true. Okay. So there's two ways you can do this. There's the algebra way where you can solve, for example, for x here and then take whatever that is and plug it into this x, multiply by 3, and then you'll get just one equation instead of two, and then you can plug in your numbers. Or you can probably do it the simpler way and probably the easier way of just plugging and chugging, meaning you go through each answer, you take the values, plug it into the equations. If they make those two equations true, then that's your answer. If not, you move on. Okay, so let's try that. So for A, our x is -5 and our y is -2. So let's plug that in to these equations that we have here. So for this equation, let's try with this one. That one, we have 2 times -2 minus -5. What does that give us? Well, that gives us -4 plus 5. Does that equal -19? Nope. So we just cross that out. I'm not even going to try with the rest of it. Okay, B. We have 3 for x and -8 for y. So let's try with the same equation. So we got 2 times -8, okay, minus x, which in this case is 3. What does that give us? Well, we get 2 times -8, which is -16. -16 minus 3, well, what do you know? That is -19. So is that our answer? Maybe. Let's try it out with the other equations. Remember, it has to work for both. So for the other one, I'm going to write that right here, we get 3 times 3 plus 4y. In this case, because we have a -8, I'm just going to write minus 4 times 8. Okay, so what does that give us? Well, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. So 9 minus 32. What does that give us? Well, it does give us -23. So that is your answer. And look at that. You didn't even have to try with C and D, and you got it right away. We got lucky with this one.